So I ordered these nasal strips to expand the nostrils, bro. Trying to not snore. The dream is to just not get kicked out of the bed because of the bad snoring. And, you know, because my son is co-sleeping. He's in this little bassinet next to the bed. I'm trying to just erase it. I've been taping my mouth shut at night. Dude, I'm taking drastic measures to not snore. Really don't want a CPAP machine. That wasn't on my vision board. Okay, that wasn't my New Year's resolution. Hope you have a great day. Jesus loves you, baby. Let's go.